You don't look German. Are you like originally from somewhere else?
Afghanistan. You're Chinese? Are you mixed?
No, I'm not mixed. I'm full Chinese. I'm one of the ethnic minority. It's called Uyghur.
Uyghur.
Uyghur, not Urgui.
Uyghur. Okay. Isn't that the one that China is like?
Stop that shit. It's all nonsense. It's
I
just
don't know. I just saw it on TikTok.
yeah. It's just propagandas. I'm living fine as hell, as you can see.
Yeah.
How long have you been in Germany?
I was born here. I have the German passport. I don't have anything from Afghanistan, but ethnically I'm Afghan, as you can see.
Can I show you some videos? Can you make some comments to this guy's spoken German?
I didn't even understand a single word.
That's German language.
Yeah, but that was a pretty heavy accent.
Try again.
That's not even German.
What
do
the
you
fuck?
mean?
What about this one?
sondern der Revolution. Ich bin nur ein kleiner, unbekannter Schauspieler. Aber ich habe einen großen Traum. Ich wünsche mir, dass der Preis des Brotes von 500.000 Mark hier abgesetzt werde.
Oh, I do understand that one.
Like everything.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate
Like
it?
the accent is, he has a pretty high accent, but I understood everything he said, so probably 7 out of 10. I think everybody would know what he's saying.
That's pretty good. His videos went viral nowadays in China.
Yo, why though?
People just make funny jokes about that man's
German.
speech. Yeah, not German. It's particularly
It's okay though, it's okay.
particularly that man's speech because he did a really good imitation. Dude.